If you are sitting there, right now, feeling a sharp electric pain, shooting down your leg, or a dull ache in your hip that just won't quit, then you know exactly how frustrating sciatic nerve pain can be. This isn't just a physical discomfort. It is something that steals your freedom and makes your world feel smaller every single day. Many people in the United States suffer in silence, thinking that surgery or heavy medication are the only answers. But today, we are exploring a natural path that works with your body's own mechanics. We are diving straight into the science of nerve flossing, which is a gentle technique designed to mobilize the nerve and reduce irritation, without the need for intense stretching. This method is specifically effective for seniors because it respects the body's boundaries while providing real relief. Before we begin this life-changing practice, I want to invite you to join our growing community. If you find this information helpful, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a like so we can reach more people who need this healing. Now, let us begin. To understand why we are moving today, you first have to understand what is happening inside your leg. Your sciatic nerve is the longest and thickest nerve in your entire body, starting from your lower back and running all the way down to your toes. Think of this nerve like a long, delicate, silk thread encased in a protective sleeve. In a healthy body, that thread slides back and forth perfectly as you move. But when you have inflammation or a disc issue, that thread gets snagged and stuck. When you try to stretch it like a rubber band, the nerve actually gets tighter and more painful because nerves do not like to be pulled. This is where nerve flossing comes in. Instead of pulling from both ends, we are going to gently glide the nerve back and forth through its path, just like flossing your teeth. This movement helps clear out inflammatory chemicals and brings fresh blood flow to the area, which is the key to natural healing. Safety is our top priority, especially when we are working with the nervous system. You do not need any special equipment for this session, just a firm chair or the edge of your bed. Make sure your environment is quiet and that you have enough room to move your legs freely. Sit toward the front edge of your seat and place your feet flat on the ground. Your posture should be tall, as if there is a string pulling the crown of your head toward the sky. But your shoulders should remain soft and relaxed. In our fast-paced culture, we often feel the need to push through the pain, but with nerve flossing, less is actually more. We are looking for a gentle sensation, not a sharp one. Take a deep breath and settle into your space. You are here to take care of yourself, and that is the most important appointment you have all day. Let us start with our first movement called the seated glider. This is the foundation of everything we will do today. Sit up straight and slowly extend your painful leg out in front of you. Keep a very slight bend in the knee. Now, we are going to coordinate our head and our foot to create the glide. As you slowly look up toward the ceiling, I want you to point your toes away from your body like a dancer. As you slowly bring your chin down toward your chest, pull your toes back toward your shin. This synchronized movement allows the nerve to slide toward your head and then back toward your foot, without being stretched tight. We will perform this 10 times in a very slow and rhythmic fashion. Feel the connection between your neck and your heel. This is you taking control of your recovery and teaching your nerves how to move freely again. It is important to remember that chronic pain does not develop overnight, and it usually does not disappear in a single minute either. Many of our viewers in the US are used to quick fixes, but real nerve health requires patience and repetition. Think of this 30-minute session as a daily investment in your mobility. By performing these glides every morning, you are slowly breaking down the adhesions that have kept your nerve trapped. You are essentially retraining your brain to understand that movement is safe again. When we are in pain, our brain often creates a protective guard that makes us stiffen up, which actually increases the pressure on the nerve. Through this gentle practice, we are breaking that cycle of tension. Stay focused and stay patient because your body is listening to the care you are giving it right now. Now that we have warmed up the nerve, let us try a variation known as the slump floss, which offers a deeper release. For this move, I want you to intentionally let your mid-back slump forward and tuck your chin firmly to your chest. This positions the spinal cord in a way that allows us to target the very root of the sciatic nerve. While holding this position, slowly straighten your leg and flex your foot back toward you. You might feel a stronger sensation through the back of your thigh. Hold it for just a heartbeat and then release everything by looking up and letting your foot relax. It is a beautiful, fluid motion that should feel like a wave. We are not forcing anything. We are simply inviting the nerve to find more space. Repeat this 10 times with total focus on the quality of the movement. Knowledge is often the best medicine when it comes to chronic conditions. Many seniors worry that their pain means they are broken, but usually it just means the nerve is crowded. Whether it is from a bulging disc or a tight muscle, the result is the same. The nerve is being pinched. When you understand that the nerve is just looking for a bit of room, you stop fearing the sensation. Fear causes the body to release cortisol, which increases inflammation and makes the pain feel even more intense. By staying calm and moving through these flossing techniques, you are lowering your stress hormones and allowing the natural healing processes of your body to take over. You are not just moving your leg, you are calming your entire nervous system, and that is where true relief begins. If sitting becomes uncomfortable, we can achieve the same results while lying down. This is a great option to do before you even get out of bed in the morning. Lie on your side with your healthy leg on the bottom and your painful leg on top. Gently bring your top knee toward your chest while simultaneously tucking your chin toward your collarbone. Then, as you straighten your leg back behind you, slowly look up and over your shoulder. This opens up the lateral spaces of your spine and gives the nerve an incredible amount of room to move. It is a very soothing exercise that helps reduce the morning stiffness many of us feel. Take your time with each repetition and enjoy the feeling of your lower back opening up. The work we do here is vital, but how you live the rest of your day matters just as much. In our modern lifestyle, we often sit in chairs that are too soft or we stay in one position for way too long. I want to encourage you to set a timer and stand up every 30 minutes, even if it is just to walk to the kitchen and back. Keeping the blood flowing is essential for nerve repair. Also, consider the shoes you wear and the surface you walk on, as these all impact your sciatic nerve. Drink plenty of water to keep your tissues hydrated, and consider natural anti-inflammatories like turmeric or ginger to support your journey from the inside out. Every small choice you make throughout the day is a building block for your total wellness. We have reached the end of our deep dive into nerve flossing, and you should feel incredibly proud of the effort you put in today. This 30-minute commitment is the foundation for a life with less pain and more joy. Remember that you have the power to influence your own healing through these natural and gentle methods. As we close, I want to remind you that Wellness Roots Journey is here for you every step of the way. If this session brought you some relief, please share it with a friend or family member who might be struggling. Leave a comment below and let me know how your leg feels after these 30 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can continue this journey with us every week. Your support allows us to keep providing this free education to seniors all across the country. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and keep moving toward the light. And I will see you in our next journey together. Goodbye for now.